Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have Samsung brand Eco Bubble 8 kg washer. The model is WW80J4260GS-GU. The problem is when I'm giving power, within few minutes we cannot select any program. Within few minutes all the lights are blinking. Just we will check what was the problem exactly. Now I switch on the power and I will select this. I cannot select any program. Just lights are blinking, continuously blinking. I cannot go ahead. I cannot select. Start pause also not working. This is the problem. Let's see what was the problem exactly. First of all, we have to troubleshoot the problem. I'm thinking this is problem with the main board. Just we will check what was the problem exactly. First we remove the top cover. And take it out. After that we have to remove the screws. First my friends, just unplug the power because this is dangerous. Because of that please unplug the power. And we have to remove all 4 screws are here, 1 2 3 4, and remove the detergent drawer, and also here 2 screws. And now pull out this one. It's careful, it will break. Because of that we have to pull out and remove all the connection here. And white and black, this is power connection. You have to don't change when you are going to fix again. Yeah, this is the problem actually. According to my knowledge, this IC is gone, I think, because of that only blinking. Anyway, we will check with another power control box, and after that it will be okay. We can repair this PCB, but it is little bit complicated, but I can repair. But this customer is very hurried to repair the machine. Because of that he is telling no problem, you go for with the replacement PCB, new one, and let's see after replacing PCB what will happen. Now we have to remove remove all the screws, and we have to 2 locks are here, this one and this side, left and right, 2 locks. Don't break it while you going to remove this one, and careful, you have to remove this. Okay, now you can take it out. And also this display touch screen, Careful, we have to remove this connector. This connector here is coming. Now we are going to replace the PCB, because this display PCB is separately it will come, but now I am going to replace with the display and main PCB together, because they provide to me the display PCB also. Yeah, they provide to me with the display PCB. Because of that, I am going to replace this PCB with the display. Let's see what will happen after fixing. Before fixing PCB power control box, we have to remove this. This is better, because you know this one sometimes chance to break the display PCB, because this one should come properly. Because of that, remove first. After that, you can whatever you can fix properly again. Yeah, it's like that. You have to fix. Now it's okay. Now all the screws we have to fix. 1, 2, 3 screws are here. And here also 2 screws. All together 5 screws we have to fix. Okay, now we have to connect all the harness properly, and this one already here indicators are here white. Because of that, it's not getting changed, because white we have to fix only the white. Before, so I told you. Now we fix already. Before now we can check whether PCB working or not after power giving supply. And we will check. Yes, it is on. And we will select here only the spin 12 minutes. Let's see it is working or not. Yeah, its door also lock. Drain mode also working. Can hear the noise. Yes, motor is start, drum is rotating now. Yeah, just confirm the problem with the board. Let's see, later we can repair the main control board, but this is very hard to send to customer. Because of that, we replace this one. And thank you watching for my channel. If anything else, let me know please. Also subscribe my channel. Thank you.